Hi guys, today's lesson is on finding slope on a graph, and I'm only going to go over the steps in this lesson here, all right? We'll show you an example in the next video. Again, other terms for slope, growth factor, and rate. Again, just get yourself familiar with those three terms and how they all kind of correlate there together, all right? Here are your steps here for finding slope or your growth factor or your rate on a graph. And again, we're only going to go over the steps here. If I look at step number one, I want to first find the straight line on the graph, okay? That's going to be really important when we're talking about slope here, finding the straight line. Step two, you're going to pick 2 points on the line. Again, we'll show you what that looks like here in a little bit. Just important that you have these written down. That way you're able to refer back to them when you're practicing some problems here, all right? Along with step two here, we want to find 2 points on intersecting lines. And again, we'll show you what that looks like here in a little bit. Step three, make a slope triangle. And again, we want you to make the shape of a triangle, and we'll show you everything here in an example. We just want you to get this written down. Step four, this is how you find slope now on a graph when you're ready to calculate it here. Calculate the rise divided by run. You're going to hear this a lot here, rise divided by run. And when you think of the term rise, think of the vertical change, like up and down, okay? Maybe if we're testing your vertical, we're wanting to know how high you jump here. So again, think up and down, okay? Run will be the horizontal change. And again, horizontal, think horizon, maybe think across. And again, this is maybe some good reminders here for you, kind of what I just said earlier here. Rise, think an elevator. Elevator goes up and down. Run, think about the horizon there, how you look across the horizon for these terms here, okay, for the term run. One hint we want to give you here is this. If the line goes up from left to right, your slope is, and I want you to pause it right now and think about what word we might fill in right here. So go ahead and pause that. You fill in that word, and then we'll fill it in here, and I'll go over it here in 2 seconds. All right, if we look right here, if the line goes up from left to right, your slope is going to be positive. And again, we'll show you what that looks like here in an example. All right, want you to fill in this blank now too. Go ahead and pause after I'm done reading it here. If the line goes down from left to right, your slope is, go ahead and pause it right now and fill in this blank. All right, reading over this again here. If the line goes down from left to right, your slope is negative. All right, so right here we did a lot of telling here, guys. In our next video here, we're going to show you then how to find slope on a graph. So it's going to be important that you kind of have this off to your side, because this is what I'm going to be referring to in the examples. I just won't be showing you this. All right, thank you.